bring her home down to Boots too?
Boots would like
Then
it.
Mommy can have her rest. She could sleep in the crib, playpen, huh? What do you think? You're so quiet.
What have we
Rudy,
done
you should be
today?
taking pictures of you from the States.
What have you done so far?
She's even got long fingernails. And look at her hands, she's gonna play the organ like Grandma. She goes just like the guys in the zoo, doesn't she? Show Mommy how.
No way? Yeah, it's your sister.
That's
Is this from you boys?
They went down, picked it up together.
It's not from me, that's from
Oh, nice. Big card.
us.
What's that? Dear Daryl, very charming.
Looks like there's more pages.
Yeah.
Welcome to the world. Welcome to the world.
You're having the greatest time doing that. That's the funnest thing ever. Ever, ever.
Let's see somebody's face up there.
Who's
in the window.
face? Tootie. Here comes one. Come here.
No,
Come here.
I can't throw my gun in the garbage.
Oh, big. You sound like a monster when you say it.
Wow.
Show 'em how big. Show 'em how big. Oh, yeah, at
This
least that
big.
big. Oh, yeah? Is it? That's a high stop.
About up to here.
Oh, and
That's my
Dater.
necklace, Tommy.
It's where the bed drops down at the foot.
Look it, she's got a hold of my necklace.
Yep, they have it here.
Silly.
Yep, it's got the TV in it. The only thing she don't like about it is that when you walk in the door, you're gonna look right at her, you know what. Yep, exactly. Where she said, you know, Mom, why don't they have it so when somebody walks in, they walk into the side of me? I said, that's how they did it with Angie's. But they have, yeah, but not this one. But I said, she said, Mom, I don't want Mark and Scott and them to walk in on me and just look right up at me. Yeah, and everything is going good there. Everything is fine so far, is what they can say. But uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Oh, goodness. Goodness.
Yeah.
Can we make that baby burp? Okay, I will. We're making curry burp.
Did Daryl have a lot of black hair in this one?
I wasn't there.
Well, didn't Betty say?
No, didn't see. And I didn't see. He used to have a lot. Daddy used to have more hair.
You think she's a girl with all that long hair?
I'm getting anywhere today with these burpees. Yeah.
Do they wear or don't you?
I don't know.
What happened, John? What happened, Tom? How old are you, Tommy?
Ciao, Papa.
Yeah.
Green ice cream and brown ice cream.
When you turn 3, you don't drop it on.
No. There's a lot of reason to in there. You like your pound cake?
Look at the balloons. Isn't that a pretty cake?
Yeah, I like that. He doesn't know how to say yet.
Okay, we're gonna sing now.
He calls he and John and Doughboy.
Daryl's gotta get the camera fired up.
Outside.
Ready.
Yeah.
All together.
So he said that to Doughboy.
Good way to burn it.
Boy, you dirty.
Hey, big Tommy, Brian. Brian, you got it.
At least we'll have it on video.
That's Tom's job.
Sorry, Toot Toot. Okay, ready? Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tommy. Happy birthday to you.
Ready? Blow. Yeah.
Come on, Tom.
One. How many girlfriends are you gonna have? 1, 2, 3. Ready, John?
Don't spit.
Go.
Yay, Come on, bend them out of shape.
Didn't blow very hard.
I have an idea with this.
Like that American
Yeah.
That's home videos. That one little boy had the candles
Right.
that kept flaring up too funny.
Lori is busy cutting out cake. It's Tommy's birthday.
Have ice cream.
Donna is for Susan. We have Daryl.
Uncle Daryl.
Are you at green or
People
white?
that came to help celebrate Tommy's birthday.
Green light.
Tommy's 4th birthday.
Third.
3rd birthday.
Baby Kari is up in her. And they feel bad taking a nap, missing out on her birthday cake. What is that? Look at the long neck. Must be giraffe.
Tail.
What?
You don't know your anatomy.
Well, I can't see it all.
It's that simple.
Daddy, dinosaur.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
A big long neck.
No. That's nothing. Anything can take a second for.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ugly. It's an ugly lizard.
Okay. You wanna open this one? You
Hey,
wanna-
Mom.
Okay, you wanna open this one?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
I don't know why I keep forgetting the camera.
What? Yeah.
Who is that neat?
Cold bear.
Andre Dawson shirt.
Ooh, now you can really hit the ball, Tommy.
Thank you.
Yeah, he started to shake his head on that one. Oh, is that ever nice?
Wow.
What's the back say?
Oh.
Oh, that'd be good for the TV camera.
Okay, I will.
Same
Oh,
box.
yeah, same box. I get those.
Yeah. We have good taste, right?
Rip it open. Rip it open, Tommy.
Uh-oh. What is that?
Oh, look who's gonna help.
What is it?